Importing data into Salesforce is made easy in just 10 steps using DIALRun. I'm just going to load my customer sheet in Excel to accounts in Salesforce, but you still have the option to export or load data from multiple sheets into multiple modules within Salesforce from a single Excel file. You just need to create sheets referencing those modules in Salesforce. First, sign in to DIALRun. Then click on the blue gear and then Manage Files. Click on Select and locate the data you want to upload. Double-click on the file or click on Open. To upload, click on Submit. DIALRun can also read Excel files residing in FTP, FTPS, and SFTP. Click on Manage Connections, then Create New Connection. Choose the adapter you need. In this case, it is Excel. Then select Method 1. Choose the Excel file. Name the connection. Then click Submit. Under Manage Connection, click on Create Connection, and this time select Salesforce. In this demo, we will be using Method 3 because Salesforce OAuth connectivity is simple and straightforward compared to other data integration tools. Fill in your username and password if asked. Now, give your connection a name and click Create. Next, create a source modal by clicking on Manage Modals. Create a new modal and select Create Modal based on a single connection. Select the Excel connection you just made and select Choose a data object for the modal type. Choose a model below. In this case, we will double-click on Customers. Choose your tag or tags. Give it a name and a label. Then select Create Modal. Now create a destination modal by clicking on Manage Modals. Create a new modal and select Create Modal based on a single connection. Select the Salesforce connection you just made in the previous step and select Choose a data object for the modal type. Choose a model. In this case, we will double-click on Account. Choose your tag or tags. Give it a name and a label. Then select Create Modal. Next, select Manage Casts and create New Cast. Click on Choose. Then Create New Choose Set and give it a name. Then click on Submit. Click on the pencil to edit and under Choose Modals to Cast, select the modal to cast and click on the orange right arrow to load. Then select the blue icon here stating that you don't want to apply any conditions for the extraction of data. Click Confirm Choose to save the choose set. Click Mark on the left and you will see the list of choose sets. Click Mark again and you get the data sets generated from the source. Multiple data sets will be generated if available, which is a lot different from any other integration tools where all of them ignore multiple data sets and deliver only one. This helps the user to export all generated data sets in a single go. Provide a valid name and click Apply. Click Populate on the left. Then click Configure. This is the source data set. You can configure each mark set or data set to a destination. Modals are independent of the source and destination. This gives more control for the users to reuse the same modal as both source and destination of data integration for various requirements. Under Step 1, double-click on the modal you created. You see two tables, Source Dataset on the left and Destination Object on the right with their corresponding tags. Single-click on a field on the left and click on the destination field on the right to map it. Click on the right again to unmap. Multiple modals can be created for the same connection. instead of hardwiring an object to a connection and create a new connection just to refer a different object. For example, two modals, one for Salesforce accounts and another for Salesforce contact, can be created from the same Salesforce connection. This is something which is unique to DIALRun. This helps a lot during the integration process. Select Billing Address on the left and select Billing Address and Shipping Addresses to create a one-to-many mapping. Once finished mapping, next choose a populate mode. In this case, we will use all data. Click on the blue NA indicating you don't want to apply any conditions. Click Apply in Step 3. Provide a name for the cast, then click Save Cast. Under Active Casts, you should be able to find the name of the cast you just created. Find it and click Deploy. Click Manage Dial and schedule to run the dial. DIALRun Salesforce Data Loader will run. Click on the blue icon to see today's logs and click on Show Log. It is showing you that the data was successfully migrated and you can validate the output in your Salesforce environment. Log in now to your Salesforce account and then click on New this week. Here is all the data that has been migrated using the DIALRun application. Select the Salesforce account to view its properties. Now I will go back to the original Excel spreadsheet that we used to port the information over into Salesforce to show you the information was ported over successfully.